Time tracking might be one of the trickiest subjects for managers to cover. It's good for your business, however, your employees might see it in a different and not so positive light. Understandably, when you talk about implementing any kind of time tracking tool, your employees go into fight or flight mode. They're afraid of being controlled, watched, and evaluated. And who could blame them if the management doesn't communicate the time tracking benefits accordingly? To avoid that, we've compiled a list of how-tos that will help you explain the advantages of time tracking to your team. First off, emphasize that time tracking actually saves time and increases productivity levels. We all want to work smarter, not harder. In order to do so, we need to see how and where we spend our time and where it might be inadvertently drained. Time tracking can help you and your employees to see how productive they really are and how they can improve their habits at work to reach better results in a shorter period of time. This self-analysis will motivate both you and your employees to do better and avoid any unnecessary and unproductive actions. Another great benefit of time tracking, it helps notice hard work. Time tracking will help distinguish the hardworking employees from the slacking ones. Thus, you as a manager will be able to see who deserves a bonus and who needs a motivational boost. In addition, time tracking can finally clear the air on how much time the manager's favorite quick 5-minute jobs actually take. As we all know, cutting into a person's workflow with ASAP jobs can seriously affect productivity. And to be honest, when has anyone ever managed these small jobs in 5 minutes or less anyway? With time tracking, your employees will note how much time these extra jobs actually take. Another advantage of time tracking, it can save your team from overworking. Burnt-out employees are definitely not the goal you should be striving for. To ensure that your team is happy and well-rested, encourage them to take breaks during the day and leave the office at reasonable hours. For example, Desktime helps keep your employee breaking schedule in check by sending breaking reminders every productive 50 minutes worked. One of the most common myths is that with time tracking, your privacy will be intruded upon. Is it true? Not necessarily. Desktime offers a private time option that will give your employees the option to have personal time which won't be tracked, that they can turn on at any time they choose. And most importantly, set an example. Show your employees that you use time tracking to keep tabs on yourself as well. That way, you'll demonstrate that you're also interested in being more productive and that you're continuously looking for ways to improve your own performance. In conclusion, remember that honesty is always the best policy. Be transparent about your intentions when using time tracking and be open to communicate the reasons why it will help not only your company, but also the employees themselves. Now, all you have to do is take these tips and test how time tracking improves productivity in your own company. If you're interested in giving this a try, Desktime offers a 14-day free trial so you can experience the benefits of time tracking with no strings attached. Good luck, and if you want to enjoy more productivity videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel.